Digital twins are more than 3D models. They're interactive replicas of the real world, and they rely on high-quality data to be accurate. That's where your Spexi flights come in. Your Imagery provides clean, high-resolution data that AI and spatial computing teams use to reconstruct buildings, neighbourhoods, and infrastructure, all with photorealistic precision. From planning smart cities to inspecting remote assets, digital twins are transforming how industries see and manage the world. And it all starts with drone pilots like you. Know someone building in AI, machine learning, or digital twin tech? Refer them to Spexi. You'll earn $200 when our team books a meeting. Refer, fly, earn.